If you're buying Bitcoin just once a month, you're going to get left behind, especially if you're hoping for the best in 2026. I'm going to show you how regular people can stack Bitcoin 100 times faster in 2026 without gambling, without leverage, and without trading. So, without further ado, I'm going to flip the camera and share my screen and show you how you can do it. So, let's get into it. All right, so before we get into today's video, we need to understand redefining 100 times faster. So 100 times faster does not mean Bitcoin goes up 100x in price, all right? It means you increase how much Bitcoin you accumulate per year. So for example, I get a lot of emails that ask me, Mr. Bitcoin Maxi, how can I increase my Bitcoin, my Satoshis per year, because I can only stack 0.01 Bitcoin per year. So that's why I made this video. And also, I'm going to be practicing this every year that goes by. I add more Bitcoin and I increase my cash flow every year in order to be able to stack more Bitcoin than the previous year. So, for example, typical dollar cost averaging that I see online and people that email me is 0.01 Bitcoin per year, which is around $1,000, all right, give or take. Now, an optimized strategy going into 2026, we want is 0.1 to 0.5 Bitcoin per year. Now, that's 10 to 15 times more Bitcoin accumulated, okay? Now, section 2, the 2026 Bitcoin stacking playbook. We want to increase our income and funnel the cash flow, the fiat, to Bitcoin. Now, I recommend side hustles, okay? So a lot of people watching this, you have a skill different than the other person watching this. So hone in on it and really get your side hustles going and whatever you're good at and whatever your passion is, all right? Now, I recommend doing it online. Figure a way out to make money online with your skill. Now, sell unused assets, that's a big one. That's one that I talked about in a couple of my videos, all right? Stacking, being able to stack more like $1,000 a month into Bitcoin and being able to stop leaking basically things that are like Netflix and going out, buying coffees every day, things like that, all right? Content creation as well. Now, a lot of you might know and see AI is starting to take over like crazy on the internet. Now, what people will value in the future is face-to-face interaction through YouTube, through TikTok, because it's going to get oversaturated with AI. However, if you're good with storytelling and you like history, for example, then you can create something around that, right? That has to do with animation or something like that. It's just whatever you're good at. Now, that is a way to increase your Bitcoin inflow. Now, the fastest way to stack more Bitcoin is not timing the market, it's earning more fiat and converting it immediately. Now, number 2, Bitcoin first budget, all right? That should be in your budget, non-negotiable. Now, Bitcoin doesn't get what's left over. It gets paid first. You have to pay it like a bill, all right? Not leftover expense. Now, you want to set the auto buy every paycheck. Now, separate Bitcoin into a different checking account. And I really recommend this because you separate all your other stuff that's coming out of a checking account into a Bitcoin only checking account, all right? And you can set your auto buys through that checking account. Now, number 3, you want to cut leaks. Now, I spoke about this in 2 of my other videos about stacking $1,000 into Bitcoin every month. Now, this is going to be very critical going into 2026. Get rid of your subscriptions, impulse spending, all right? And lifestyle inflation quietly destroys your stack, all right? So every $100 you waste in 2026 is Bitcoin you'll never own again. So it's very important to understand that. Now, number 4, reinvest windfalls only, excuse me, into Bitcoin. Now, a big thing that I recommend, tax season is coming up, all right? We're almost into 2026. So you can get your tax refund as early as possible before Bitcoin price possibly goes up, like I'm speculating it is, all right? You want to secure your tax refund into Bitcoin. Now, if you get a bonus at work, right? Put the bonus into Bitcoin. Side hustle profits should be treated as Bitcoin opportunities. Now, every extra dollar you make from Bitcoin goes straight into Bitcoin. Excuse me. So every dollar I make from, example, YouTube, right? If you're doing content creation, goes straight into Bitcoin. Now, number 5, stop chasing altcoins. Now, if you're somebody that watches a lot of these videos on altcoins and the best altcoin to buy, I really recommend staying away from that. Okay, most people slow their Bitcoin accumulation by gambling on altcoins. There's nothing better than Bitcoin. Now, if you notice, Ethereum is the same price now as it was the last bull run, I believe. And so Bitcoin was 60 something thousand back then, and now we're pretty much tipping at 90, 88 last I looked. So you have to understand there's nothing better than Bitcoin. Now, volatility leads to emotional selling. So when you're watching these videos about Bitcoin's doing this today, Bitcoin's doing that today, all right, you are missing Bitcoin accumulation if you're selling. And also, you might have capital gains taxes. That's something else. So it's eating into your Bitcoin stack. And massive opportunity cost. It's costing you opportunity. They don't stack faster, they stack less. All right. Now, section 3, the 2026 mindset shift. In 2026, Bitcoin isn't something you buy, it's something you should build your life around. So, career choices, right? You want to think, how can I choose a career, or how can I maximize my career and get so good at it that I make more and more and more, and I can use that extra to stack into Bitcoin. Your spending decisions have a big impact on the amount of Bitcoin that you can buy. So if you're spending more than you're making, you're not really able to buy Bitcoin, right? Or as much. And you might be in a position to where you have to sell. You have to think long term. Now, I spoke about this when I was in my car earlier today. You have to think in decades. Don't think in days, don't think in months, think in decades, because the world is going to run off of Bitcoin. And what's crazy, Steak and Shake is going to be able to pay their employees a portion of their check into Bitcoin, which is pretty cool. Now, section 4, warnings. Trust builders. Don't use leverage, okay? It's very important to understand, do not use leverage. Don't trade emotionally. Don't wait forever for dips. And don't overextend financially. You should never overextend and put more into Bitcoin than you're making, or your bills that are coming in, because then you're going to have to sell. As a Bitcoin maximalist, I want to save cash on the side, all right, in case of emergencies. Now, I've seen some comments out there on my older videos where it says a Bitcoin maximalist does not save cash on the side. Well, yes, a smart Bitcoin maximalist is going to stack cash on the side. So in case of something going wrong with the house, water heater or something with the plumbing, right? Something goes wrong, you don't have to sell your Bitcoin. Slow and consistent beats fast and reckless. All right. So we want to be slow and consistent about our buys. Now, here is another thing that I came up with: Bitcoin 2026 stacking playbook, realistic data. All right. Now, assume Bitcoin price stays at around 90,000, which I think is going to go up, but this is just a scenario. All right. Scenario A, a conservative stacking dollar cost average only. Now, monthly fiat 500, annual 6,000. Bitcoin price stays at around 90,000 in 2026, right? Bitcoin stacked a year would be 0.0667 a year, all right, which is not really much. It's a little over $6,000, I believe. All right. Now, scenario B, aggressive stacking, income, and discipline. So if you stick to this and really hone in on this, monthly fiat, $1,500, all right, not including cash savings. But if you can maximize getting at least $1,500 a month, annual fiat, 18,000, all right, into Bitcoin, say price stays what it is now, around 90,000, that's 0.2 Bitcoin a year. And in 1 year, that puts you in the top 1%, roughly, of Bitcoin holders in the world. So every year that goes by, I'm looking to add to my stack. All right. I'm looking to maximize my cash flow and put it into Bitcoin. Now, scenario B is what I'm personally doing. In 2026, I'm going to be adding $1,500 to what I'm currently stacking every month. All right. Now, not a lot of people can do that. However, that's just me personally. Now, if you can only do 1,000, or if you can do an extra 500, All right, so $1,000 a month instead of 500. Great. Now, BTC gold timeline or Bitcoin gold timeline using aggressive strategy. So 0.1 Bitcoin take 0.5 years, right? 0.21 Bitcoin would take a year, roughly. So if you can do scenario B, you can really hone in on every year stacking 0.21. However, as the price goes up, it's going to get less. But this is just right here an example, right? But it's a realistic example. Now, 0.5, it would take 2.5 years. So if you can stack at least $1,500 a month in this price range. Now, it might take 3 years if Bitcoin goes up in 2026, like I projected it will. Now, one Bitcoin would take you 5 years. So I hope this video has been very helpful for you all. I am currently doing this myself, and I thought what better way to share this PDF that I came up with all of you, and I hope to help you all. And if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments how much you guys plan on stacking in 2026, or what your goal is, or just your overall thoughts. I'm Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. We're all Bitcoin Maxi. Stack sats, stay free, stay humble, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.